and today is a fun little recap on my very first ever epoxy project. First time I ever used it or anything, and I figured I could just get a new sink if it didn't work out. So these were the results I got on the very first try, and I have been addicted to epoxy ever since. I do believe that if you can imagine it, you can figure it out and create it. And this was also just the regular Stone Coat Countertop epoxy. There was no special top coat, there was no special art coat or anything. This is their regular countertop epoxy with the clear just flood coat on it. And as you can see, I had taken this video 10 months after just to show that there was not a scratch, no changes, anything. And this sink had been used every single day. It was the main sink in that house. And I just love looking back at my own personal growth, but also looking at how proud I was of my very first project, and wanted to show anyone that's new to epoxy out there, you can do it too, and you can have fun. So enjoy and go play. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.